Yes.
Pon tu zapato
Me no.
este.
It ain't no joke, my boys. It's raining. Raining. And we went out and worked. Got to be done. See? Puse bota. Look at that, boys. That's the weather right now. Super ugly. Alright, boys. Wow. It's a good time to sleep. ¿Cómo dormiste? Yeah. Look at that. That's the weather for today. Wow. We worked and all that. I should have taken a clip when it was actually raining a lot. But I didn't. Y'all see the results. This has water in it. So this was a fail. Only thing it did is hurt my feet. That's all it did. We're getting a bonus. Oh! I was like, we're getting a bonus. That's it right there, boys. Feet soaked, boots soaked. But we got it done. No pressure on this end. Little whining. But hey, we got it done. F it. I'm gonna let this rain settle a little bit. Well. What do we have here? Went grocery shopping. ¿Está bueno? Ok. Ok. Vas a poner uno así. Este queso así. Y ese carne aquí. Así.
No quiero.
¿No quieres?
Así. Así.
A ver. A ver.
No.
Got the fruits. ¿Ya no es? Ok.
Ya no es.
Te voy a tirar. Wow, ya está limpio. Tu nene. Cuídala. Ok. Yeah, no come. Alright, boys, time to wrap it up. The day is going out. Alright. Fortunately, not gonna lie, I did not end up working out. Everything was wet. Not an excuse, but I'll get it tomorrow. That's gonna be the only time I'll make it up on Friday as well. But can't lie. Not gonna lie about it. No pressure. Not gonna beat myself up about it too, because we still got tomorrow. A little setback, but let's go harder tomorrow. It's been raining. Apparently it's gonna be raining. You know, rain hard today, tomorrow, until Friday or Thursday supposedly. But we're gonna see. Today we worked in the water, as y'all seen, and it's still raining till now. So we went out, got some groceries under the rain, but no pressure. Came back safe, made it home safe, and I hope you guys are staying safe as well and staying positive. I'm gonna leave you guys here. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.